Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today's lesson we are going to learn daily use short English sentences. So let's start. हमारा पहला सेंटेंस है मुझे आपकी मदद की ज़रूरत है. I need your help. I need your help. आपको कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? मैं आपसे मिलना चाहती हूँ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do? What should I do? आपने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. और अगर आपने ये कहना हो कि मेरी तरफ मत देखो तो इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे Don't look at me. Don't look at me. क्या मैं कुछ बोल सकता हूँ? Can I speak something? Can I speak something? आप क्या पूछना चाहते हैं? What do you want to ask? What do you want to ask? खुद से पूछो. Ask yourself. Ask yourself. अपनी हरकतें दुरुस्त करो. Mend your ways. Mend your ways. मुझे एक मौका दो. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. मेरा इंतज़ार करो. Wait for me. Wait for me. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? चलो वहाँ चलते हैं. Let's go there. Let's go there. मुंह बंद रखो. Zip your lips. Zip your lips. इसे राज रखना. Keep this under wraps. Keep this under wraps. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? Where are you going? तुम क्यों जा रहे हो? Why are you going? Why are you going? मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. तुम खड़े क्यों हो? Why are you standing? Why are you standing? बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. रोको इसे. Stop it. Stop it. मौसम बदल रहा है. Weather is changing. Weather is changing. आज मौसम खुशगवार है. It is pleasant today. It is pleasant today. सब ठीक है. Everything is good. Everything is good. और अगर आपको ये कहना हो कि सब ठीक चल रहा है तो इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे Everything is going good. Everything is going good. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and found this video helpful, then click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.